tech giants control AI, and they have the power to inflate costs, and they are also profiting on your data. But blockchain structures align incentives within an ecosystem, and this creates a powerful network effect. Bittensor is a decentralized network like Bitcoin that has subnetworks or subnets of different decentralized AI services. Bittensor empowers small teams and more people to build, share, and profit from AI, and users of these apps can benefit from more secure, robust, and privacy-friendly applications. We're going to talk about two decentralized AI projects that are Bittensor subnets and compare them with centralized competitors. And also, this video is supported by Bitcast, which is also built on Bittensor. Bitcast is a decentralized creator economy that connects creators and brands in a win-win relationship. Brands post briefs about what they want, and creators can add their magic touch and present the content from the brief. Funds paid by the brands go straight to the creators, eliminating ridiculous inefficiency of marketing and ad agencies. So the two apps we're going to be talking about today are both Bittensor subnets, and they are DippyAI and ScoreVision. DippyAI offers personalized AI companions for engaging conversations, emotional support, etc. And they have an iOS and Android app, and you are also able to access companions through Discord and the web. And some use cases are for creative role playing for writers, mental health support, and companionship for those feeling isolated. You can also use these companions for language practice. Their centralized competitor is Replica, the AI companion who cares. They also have an iOS and Android app, and they are also available on the Oculus platform. So when we compare the two, they both have an AI companion focus, both have mobile apps, and companions have persistent memory in both platforms for more meaningful interactions. Some differences between the two are that Replica has augmented reality interactions, and DippyAI has an extensive character library for diverse role-playing options and easy character creation. More differences include data storage. For example, with Replica, data is stored and owned by the platform, but with DippyAI, user data is not owned by a corporation. Replica is fully centralized and owned by Luca Incorporated. They have closed source proprietary models, and users and contributors have no control or insight into model decisions or development. DippyAI, on the other hand, is built on Bittensor using decentralized infrastructure. It is open source and incentivizes community governance. Now for the second decentralized AI app platform that we're going to talk about, ScoreVision, it is subnet 44 of the Bittensor network, and they are the optic nerve of AI. And what that means is they're developing visual intelligence that can see, understand, and derive insights from seeing the world. So they're teaching machines to understand our visual world autonomously, starting with the dynamic complexities of soccer or football, depending on where you live. And they have stated on video that their technology can ingest more hours of video than a human could watch in a lifetime. Their centralized competitor would be Second Spectrum. And the way these two companies compare, Second Spectrum is used by the NBA, and they record and process video footage of NBA basketball games. So the way these two companies compare is that they both process sports video footage, they both use AI computer vision for object detection, tracking, and interpretation of gameplay, and they both address the needs of teams and coaches, broadcasters, and probably betting operators too. The differences between the two are that with ScoreVision, anyone can contribute as a miner or validator, and they have a transparent incentive model, whereas with Second Spectrum, they have no open access for public development or contributions, which is also understandable for product integrity. Second Spectrum has enterprise-level pricing with exclusive licensing. It's limited to elite leagues like the NBA, and it is not cost-effective for smaller leagues or broadcasters. ScoreVision is designed to reduce costs by 10 to 100 times compared to manual annotation, and it uses distributed computation to handle multiple streams simultaneously. Lastly, Second Spectrum is more focused on sports, whereas with ScoreVision, They are built to expand beyond sports and into other areas like security and retail. So guys, we have some very, very interesting times that we're living in with the proliferation and growth of the Bittensor ecosystem and distributed AI. I think this is something that is much needed for the world. If you agree or disagree, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.